teaching online, 3 ways of being, or maybe we should call this Zen and the art of online course delivery. Regardless of how well you know your discipline and how experienced and effective of an instructor you are, going online is no easy transition, and to make matters kind of worse, in a lot of ways, it never really gets, quote, easy. I mean, technology is always changing and going wrong. And as many of us have experienced with our own children, the generational divide is widening at a breakneck speed. This doesn't just mean learning new tech tools. It's a paradigm shift, a series of paradigm shifts. So where to start? Probably the best place is not at a computer, but in your own orientation. There are ways of being that, so to speak, if adopted, will serve you well. Way number 1, an investigative mindset. Be curious. Try to break D2L and whatever other tools you will be using. Ask yourself, I wonder what will happen if I, and leave no button or link unclicked. What's the worst thing that could happen? This mindset will serve you well because a tremendous amount of anxiety comes from the unknown and wondering what might go wrong. See if you can force those catastrophes before your students have their go at it. Way number 2, a willingness to learn, which is very close to way number 1, but it is worth noting here because you will have to get comfortable with the notion that while you are an expert in your discipline, none of us will ever know everything we could know about teaching technologies. We are always in the process of learning something new and better. This quest never ends. The good news is this also means you can hop on the ride at any point because it's not about what you know, it's your willingness to keep learning. Way number 3, serenity in chaos. There will be times when only a few little unnoticeables go awry, but most of the time you should be ready to ride out a full-scale disaster. Count on technological glitches, and when they occur, stay calm. Have a backup plan ready and move on. Try it again another time or try a new tool altogether. Successful online instructors remain calm and move on. And one of the benefits of being online, especially if you are connected to your students via something like Twitter, is that you can reach them to communicate next steps. Also, there are no snow days. So if you have an investigative mindset, a willingness to keep learning, and you can stay calm in a crisis, then you've got the right orientation to teach online. And hop on.